Boys and girls, today we're going to be dividing multi-digit numbers, okay? So a multi-digit number is a number that is when the divisor is more than just a single digit, okay? So today we're going to be taking 8,225 and divided by 22. All right, so over here on the side are the steps that we learned about. We start with dividing. Then we multiply, we have a subtract, and we have bring down. It's the set of steps that we do over and over again. So the first thing that we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this up. Okay, so we have 8. Okay, hang on here. Get my machine to work. Okay, so we have 8,225. And we're going to divide that. So that goes, the first number is the dividend. It goes in the box. Then we're going to divide by 22. Okay. So now we have to do that little estimation game that we were playing, where we're going to try to figure out how many times I can divide 22 into this number. But first, let's figure out how many digits I have to use. Now, can 22 go into just 8 by itself? The answer is no. So I taught you to put an X up here. All right, so then I have 22. Does 22 go into 82? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to start with just these two digits right here. Now, we did a little bit of estimating where we covered up the ones place on the 82. Let's cover up the ones place over here on the 22. So 2 goes into 8 about 4 times. So that gives us an idea of where to start. So now if I take 22, it's the board over here, times 4, I end up with 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 4 is 8. That's 88. Can I subtract 88 from 82? The answer is no. So this is not the combination that I need. So let's go less. We have to go one less. It's close, but not there. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6 again. So 3 must be the first number that I work with, all right? I need to use. So 3 times 22 now is 66. Now if I subtract, I have to borrow 7. This becomes a 12. That's 6 left over with 1. Okay, now I have divided. I have multiplied 22 and 3. Those steps kind of happen together. Okay, now I've subtracted the 66, which gives me 16. I have to do the last step here, which is to bring down. So I'm going to bring down the 2. I have 162. I'm going to do that same thing I did before. How many times does 2 go into 16? Well, about 8 times. So let's try 22 times 8. See if I have any room over here. Division takes a lot of space. So that's 16. And that's 16, that's 17. Okay, that's again too big. So let's try 22 times 7. That's 14. And 14, it's 154. Okay, that has to be what it is. So if we're going to put a 7 up here, that's 154. I'm going to subtract, and I end up with 8 left over. Well, let's bring down. We've done our divide, our multiply, our subtract. Now we're going to do the next one, which is to bring down. Bring down the 5. How many times? Again, 8 went into, well, we know that 22 times 4 is 88. That's too big. So we're going to have to use the 3 again. Okay, it's already there. Why do the work again when we can see that we've already done several problems? So now I'm going to take 66 and I'm going to subtract. I'm running out of space. I end up with 7, 15, that's 9 left over and 1. So 19 is less than 22. So then I'm going to have a remainder of 19. All right, boys and girls, today I did a problem with you of dividing multi-digit numbers. Now you can stop this video, go back and watch it again. You can stop it and write down notes. How did Miss Gassman do this today? All right, thanks. Happy math.